Nature's hidden secrets, how 6 fruits can protect your prostate. Millions of men suffer silently from prostate problems. Frequent bathroom trips at night. Discomfort that interrupts daily life. A constant worry about what the future may bring. But what if I told you that the answer is not always in expensive treatments or complicated solutions, but in something as simple, natural, and delicious as fruit? Yes, 6 everyday fruits, available in almost every supermarket, can calm inflammation, protect prostate cells, and even help slow down enlargement. And the last one on this list might surprise you the most. Stay with me, because what you are about to hear could change how you look at your fruit bowl forever. Fruit 1, the creamy protector. The first fruit looks ordinary on the outside, but inside, it is a treasure chest of healing. The avocado. Packed with plant sterols, this fruit helps reduce the symptoms of prostate enlargement. It also contains healthy fats that balance hormones and antioxidants that protect fragile cells from damage. Men who eat avocado regularly often notice smoother digestion, more balanced energy, and fewer urinary complaints. Could one creamy slice of avocado on your toast be doing more for your health than you ever imagined? The science says yes. Fruit 2, the red refreshment. Now picture this, a hot summer day, and you bite into a juicy slice of watermelon. It cools you instantly. But beneath the refreshing sweetness lies one of the strongest protectors of the prostate, lycopene. This antioxidant, also found in tomatoes, has been linked to lower risks of prostate problems. It works like a shield, protecting DNA from damage and calming inflammation. And here is the secret: the redder the watermelon, the higher the lycopene content. So that bright, sweet slice might be more than a treat, it could be a natural medicine. Fruit 3, the berry army. Tiny, colorful, and bursting with flavor, berries are like nature's little warriors. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries may look delicate, but they are packed with anthocyanins and vitamin C. These compounds act as bodyguards, sweeping away free radicals that damage prostate cells. They also reduce swelling and improve circulation. Think of a bowl of berries as a daily shield. Every handful you eat is like sending reinforcements to defend your prostate. And the best part? They taste like dessert. Fruit 4, the citrus power. Now let us turn to citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. These fruits are loaded with vitamin C and flavonoids that strengthen the immune system and lower inflammation. But here is the hidden power: citrus not only protects directly, it also helps the body absorb other nutrients more effectively. That means when you add a squeeze of lemon to your salad or drink a glass of orange juice, you are boosting the impact of everything else you eat. Sometimes, the simplest habit, like starting your morning with warm lemon water, can have ripple effects throughout the entire body. Fruit 5, the jewel of protection. If any fruit looks like a symbol of health, it is the pomegranate. Those ruby red seeds hold polyphenol so powerful that researchers have studied them for their effect on slowing prostate problems. Drinking a small glass of pure pomegranate juice daily has been linked to better blood flow, lower inflammation, and stronger protection against oxidative stress. Every seed is like a drop of medicine, tart, potent, and bursting with healing energy. Fruit 6, the surprising healer. And now, the final fruit. It does not look as glamorous as the pomegranate, nor as popular as the avocado. But papaya hides secrets few other fruits can match. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation, along with lycopene, the same antioxidant found in watermelon. It is a double weapon, soothing swelling while guarding cells from damage. Some men who add papaya to their weekly diet notice lighter digestion, calmer nights, and a renewed sense of vitality. This humble tropical fruit may be the quiet hero in your fight for prostate health. How to use these fruits, and how can you turn these 6 fruits into a daily shield for your prostate? Add avocado to salads or smoothies. Enjoy watermelon slices or blend them into juice. Keep a bowl of mixed berries in your fridge. Start the day with citrus water. Drink a small glass of pomegranate juice. Add papaya to your breakfast or as a refreshing snack. Consistency is the key. One serving will not change your life overnight, but making these fruits part of your lifestyle can create powerful results over time. Final recap. 1. Avocado, the creamy protector. 2. Watermelon, the red refreshment. 3. Berries, the berry army. 4. Citrus, the citrus power. 5. Pomegranate, the jewel of protection. 6. Papaya, the surprising healer. Together, they form a natural, delicious, and accessible way to defend your prostate. Remember, health is not built in a doctor's office alone. It is built in your kitchen, in your habits, and in the simple choices you make every day. The next time you reach for a snack, ask yourself, will this food fuel my health or drain it? With these 6 fruits, the answer is clear. They are nature's way of saying, protection can be simple, tasty, and powerful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my video on Start Drinking This Every Morning, the #1 natural artery cleanser. You will find the link on your screen and in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss anything in the future. Thank you.